So I'm a working mom, and I must say it at this point in time, for all other moms, it can be extremely difficult sometimes. Yes, we juggle it and we make it look like it's fun, but a lot of us are winging it. Seriously. So it's the dropping off at the nanny or nursery on my work from the office day, and then the drop off and pick up at nursery on my work from home days, potty training, the endless planning of meals, the chores of the toddler and home management, the thinking, just the mere thinking of what is everybody going to eat alone drains me emotionally. And can I add laundry to that? My goodness, it's an endless list. Don't forget the sleep deprivation when you give birth, during the toddler stage, just before they're able to sleep by themselves in their own bed. There's much to add to that. So there's also lack of privacy when you have your shower, or when you want to use the toilet. Wow. Anyway, the list is endless. However, in the midst of all that, I am wholeheartedly grateful to God to be able to have my own family. At times I feel like I should be thanking my lucky stars that I get to be a working mom, because it benefits both me and my children in a lot of ways. There are advantages to everything, especially as a working mom. So this is not a debate on whether moms should work or not. You simply do what works for you and your family unit. I spend quite a lot of time, and I'm in full support of taking the necessary time out to care for the little ones and spend more time with them during their formative years. I'm down for that. I'm also in full support of mothers who choose to leave work to be homemakers. Don't get it twisted. It can be hard work and fulfilling. Yes, nothing is easy in this world. We simply make it work by winging it and making it all come together. As a working mom, I wish to share some of the benefits I see as a result. 1, my life has a healthy balance. The truth is that stay-at-home moms have an unbalanced lifestyle because they spend so much time with their children, so there is no demarcation. They don't really get the me time that they need. The benefit of being a working mom is that I get to spend time with my child while still having adult time. I go into the world and have adult conversations. Being completely consumed by a child or children will cause you to lose your identity. You will break down in good ways and in bad ways. And this is usually what happens to stay-at-home moms. The second benefit is, commuting time is free time. Can I add to that? Yes. I used to commute and complain, my goodness, but that was until I realized that actually there is a lot of benefit to it, and the benefit that it brought to my mind. So as a working mom, my commute is about 45 minutes from the nanny and also to and fro. So that's about 45 minutes of child-free time on the train by myself. I listen to podcasts, I listen to music, I get to read books or listen to audiobooks, or just enjoy the pure silence and watch Londoners stare at each other or one another on the train. It's fantastic. Yes. The third thing is money. It will not be realistic if I didn't add money to the list. Yes, I'll just be rambling. And it doesn't matter how much or in what weight it comes. The fact that I can earn money to afford the little things that makes a world of difference to me, my mind, and our children, is a lot. It's the little expenses, although unexpected sometimes, and most of the time, when it comes to children, that get taken care of, which would not otherwise have been conducive if I was a stay-at-home mom. So life is way more enjoyable without financial burdens heavily weighing on your shoulder or on the husband's shoulder or on the partner's shoulders. And then there are the end of the day hugs. Those are things to look forward to. After a long day at work and at nursery or at a nanny, those end of the days, mommy, sounds heavenly. They run into your arms and it makes it all worth it. That's all I can say. There are numerous benefits to being a working mom, even with different challenges and misconceptions, but it is well worth it in the end. Yes, it is. So besides sending children to nurseries or to nannies, to any learning center, means that you're allowing them to interact with other children, their own age, their own peers. They develop quite a variety of skills. They learn a lot of new things that we as adults can't teach them. They learn from their own peers, which I think is great for their development. If I could splurge, this one is a side thought. If I could splurge on anything as a working mom, it would be a cleaning service. I'm all about outsourcing what you can to make your life easier, So when I'm balanced, I would like to outsource this one, definitely. So outsourcing housekeeping is a luxury for a lot of stay-at-home moms, but it's a necessity for working moms because they are time-strapped and energy-strapped. And also it's easier to justify and pay for when you're a working mom. It just is. So when my mama, I made it time comes, I will be outsourcing cleaning service. Yes.